I nominated Pam Stack because I think she's one of the most courageous women that I know.
I was reading in the Miami Herald about domestic violence, and suddenly I look at a picture and it says Pam Stack on life support after her husband tried to kill her.
I had gone to sleep and he was out in the living room watching TV, and for whatever reason, he got up, went into the kitchen. He took a 7-inch boning knife out of a butcher block stand, and with that, he jumped on the bed and began slashing down at me with the knife, slashing at me over and over and over again. Being a domestic violence victim is the most hideous thing that anyone should have to face. It was my victim witness counselor that said to me, Pam, you need to share your own experience with somebody else, anyone, it doesn't matter who it is, because once you tell someone what happens to you, you will find there's great catharsis with it.
Pam has made a tremendous difference in the community at large.
She's on 24/7. Her phone rings, she'll run to a crime scene. She's taken children and families into her own home.
She would find them shelter, get them in touch with lawyers, get them in touch with people to resolve the problem for them.
I have been threatened by several abusers, most recently last week, for helping a woman get out of an abusive relationship.
She became a resource for the police officers. She's trying to make a difference.
If you read the list of all the committees and all the groups and organizations and all of the policy changing political things that she's been involved with through the years, it's really huge.
One person can really change a lot.
The message I want to send is that you can live a healthy, happy life, and you don't have to be afraid to go back out in the world again. You too will go on.